I'm Maggie, and today I'm going to show you a navigation system quick tip on how to save your home address. First, make sure that the vehicle power is on. Use the remote touchpad to navigate. Find and select destination. Then go home, and it will ask you if you would like to set the home location now. Select yes, and now we'll do it by plugging in the address. The state is already set as Florida, so we're just gonna go starting the city just to narrow down the streets easier. Start typing in your city and few matches will start popping up. The more you type, and then just select down the correct city, and next we're asked to enter the street name. I'm going to put Pines Blvd, and pretty quickly the street names will generate. Now next, just put in the house number, select OK, and then it will just verify it on the map, so click enter. Now you can edit the icon. I'm just gonna put a little house, and then you can just press OK, and the vehicle will verify that your home has been saved as the address we just put in. Remember that you can use the voice command to activate this feature.
Please say a command.
Navigation.
Please say a navigation command.
Go home.
Go home. Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
Thank you for watching. If you still have more questions or if you'd like to know more about the features, please come visit us or give us a call at 954-443-2020 or just visit our website at www.lexusofpembrokepines.com.